everyone, this is Jackie with Bronx Baubles with Get Ready With Me Jewelry Edition. Today, I want to bring your attention to amber. Amber is a phenomenal stone, and I want to share a little bit with you. I'm a jewelry historian and I study jewelry history, and one of the casualties of being a jewelry collector, aka hoarder, is that we have so much jewelry that it's hard for us to find the pieces that we're looking for. So I pulled out a few of the pieces that I have and I want to share them with you. Today I'm wearing this Russian amber. This is called an egg yolk amber. It has that look of an egg yolk. Beautiful, beautiful pinky ring made with sterling silver, and this has the hallmarks of Russia in the back of the band. And then I have this amber ring. This ring is made with different composites of amber, and it has this beautiful Art Deco like design, and it's fabulous. And then I'm wearing this amber aka bakelite necklace that is made to look like amber. And then I couldn't find my amber earrings, so I put these on sterling silver, and I couldn't find my bracelets, and so I just left this bracelet on. But I also want to share with you these beautiful, phenomenal brooches that I plan to put right here on my outfit. This is a beautiful grape design amber, and it's made with 6 dangling beads that are in the form of a grape with this gorgeous, gorgeous grape leaf. These are very, very popular. You can find these at fairs and on the internet, Etsy as an example. And what I love is that it has some articulation. And then I have this piece. This is made to look like cherries, and also has this dangling effect, which is nice because when you're walking, this sort of dangles and it catches your eye. This amber is Baltic amber. These are Russian pieces, and they are absolutely gorgeous design, very, very popular. And this is more like cherry amber, and this is the traditional regular amber. These were very, very popular in mid-century, which is the 1960s and 70s. And this is perhaps my favorite. This amber brooch is a little more rare than these other ones. This one is constructed with tortoise shell for the leaves. The leaves are a little oversized, and then it has these beautiful dangling cherries. This is a beautiful piece. It's one of my favorites out of the bunch, pun intended. This one has a tremblant effect. It's hanging from this very, very, very thin wire, and when you're walking, it kind of trembles and catches your eye. These are constructed with a brass back, and I believe they're very well might be covered in gold. It's like a gold overlay. That's what I believe them to be. These are 3 amazing pieces, and I hope that you enjoy them as much as I do. Let me know your thoughts, and if you have any more information to share with the rest of the team about Baltic amber or about Russian amber or about these pieces in particular, leave it in the comments, because this year we're going to be sharing like we're caring. And so I'm really excited for the new year and sharing more of my jewelry with you with my Get Ready With Me Jewelry Edition videos. I love you guys so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. With that, gotta go. Ciao. Bye.
If you want to learn more about amber, check out my video on Amber, the Natural Time Capsule. And also 5 interesting things to know about amber in my shorts video. Hola familia! If you like my content and want to be part of this vintage custom jewelry tribe, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Love to hear from all of you. Ciao!